Brown would have wanted, to have someone like Derek Monk singing over his coffin to him, to have all of these people come from all over the country, exactly what he wanted, including a fantastic wardrobe change.
Right. 3 wardrobe changes over 3 days. James Brown.
Yes.
In the moment there, as we are taking a look at live pictures of the crowd in the James Brown Arena, the Soul Generals. Oh, there's Michael Jackson arriving. They're taking his bows before the crowd, there to pay his respects to a soul legend, James Brown. He's getting seated there, Michael Jackson, as everybody is about to get ready to listen in to the Soul Generals and Bittersweet perform.
I want to get under your skin. If I get